Have you ever heard someone say that they were sending their hair off to be analyzed to figure out what was wrong with them or what they needed to do to be healthier? I'm Janice Cronetti. I've been teaching biology for over 20 years, and I'm here to talk to you today about nutrigenomic DNA testing. Well, that's a mouthful. Let's break it down. First of all, a quick review of what DNA actually is. I have a DNA molecule up on the screen right here. DNA is the genetic material that's found inside of your cells. It's what makes you you. In fact, it's what makes you unique from every other person out there. Only identical twins have exactly the same DNA. So you can take the DNA in your body and you can have it analyzed. A nutrigenomic DNA test kit would have you take a little swab, kind of like they stick in your mouth when you're trying to see if you've got strep throat, and actually take a swipe from the inside of your cheek. Well, why would you do that? Well, when you swipe the inside of your cheek, you pick up some cheek cells. And inside those cheek cells, inside every nucleus of every cell, is what they're after. That's DNA. They can take that cheek cell, they can analyze your DNA strands, and they can actually determine whether your bodies are deficient in certain minerals based on how the DNA is actually assembled. Now, scientists still aren't entirely sure of the accuracy of this particular testing, although a lot of alternative health practitioners swear by the accuracy and what it can tell you about how you need to change your dietary routines to be a healthier person. I'm Janice Cronetti, and this is Nutrigenomic DNA Testing.